If you're struggling to get traffic, listen closely. Traffic has now gone MLM. Daily Ads is changing the game by putting your offers in front of real buyers and active marketers automatically, every single day. No chasing traffic, no complicated setups, no non-stop posting. Just plug in your links and let the platform advertise for you hands-free 24/7. That means your opportunities are gaining exposure even while you sleep. And here's where it gets powerful. When you join the #1 dream team inside Daily Ads, you're not building alone. You're positioning yourself alongside top experienced marketers, creating momentum, team growth, and recurring income potential month after month. Traffic plus automation plus team power equals real recurring income. The smartest marketers know one thing: positioning early matters. So lock in your spot with the Dream Team today at Daily Ads and start turning automatic advertising into a super nice recurring income stream. This platform is growing like wildfire, and you definitely don't want to miss out. Get signed up now.